All right, here we go. Good luck. Mattfearn, a new box of 2016, or 2 boxes of 2016 Top Star Wars High Tech. Good luck. Buena suerte. Blue autograph. We're going to start off with Boba Fett, Sergeant Jyn Erso, Admiral Akbar, Rabe, R2-D2, Guavian Death Gang Enforcer die cut 12 of 50. Greedo and Phil Lamar 14 of 75. Greedo's numbered 8 of 99 and 14 of 75. Box of Rados. Green gold autograph. Jaskol Furris. Does he? I thought he was the 7-Up guy. The 7-Up yours guy? La Gray. Razu Kinfi, General Hux, Sabine Wren, Ray, and our green Guavian Death Gang Enforcer, 7 of 10. Oh, with Ray. Gold Aiden Cook, Astrono Cookie Tugs, Aiden Cook, 7 of 50 gold. And that was the box. Thank you, Matt.